Good morning, guys. Hope you are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm E34 Black Widow. So today we have, as you can see, we have the Cummins out. It is extremely dirty. So about 2 weeks ago, a company called Shine Armor reached out to me on Instagram here. They sent me this box. They want me to try out their product. So that is a wheel bearing for the Pathfinder. Shouldn't be in there. Basically, they sent me a couple microfiber towels, and they sent me this, their famous Shine Armor quick coat detailer. So from my understanding is this is kind of like a ceramic coating. Apparently you just spray it on, you buff it out with the microfiber towels here. Straightforward. Pretty much smells like candy, but don't drink it because it makes you want to drink it because it smells so good. So basically what they told me to do is you have to make sure you have to basically wash your car. This isn't a quick detailer where you spray it onto the dirty surface here and wipe it off. That's not what it is. It's like a polish. It polishes the paint and ceramic coats it. And then apparently it's supposed to make the water bead off and whatnot. So we're gonna do a good amount here. I think I'm gonna do for this video, I think I'm gonna do this side of the box. I got pressure washer out. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give the truck a full wash down, and then it says to wash the truck, dry it, but I'm not gonna dry it. I'm gonna let it bake out here. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna let it bake out here in the sun for a little bit, and then I'm gonna, while it's doing that, I'm gonna clean the inside, and by the time I clean the inside, it'll be ready to try out because it'll be dry enough. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this thing washed, and time lapse starts now. Always remember to be gentle when you're polishing your tip. Just like that, guys, I am done. I went around, I washed the whole entire truck. First I pressure washed it, and then I washed it with the sponge and soap. Then I did a final pressure wash over it just to get any kind of dirt that I missed. That's it. Now, disclaimer, normally I don't wash the outside of the truck before I wash the inside of the truck. I know about that. It's just that it's going to take a while to dry, so I might as well spend that time inside making it, you know, nice and clean. I'm going to basically go ahead, I'm going to back the truck up over there, wash the inside of the truck, and then after that it'll be dry enough and we'll pull it out and we will use the Shine Armor ceramic coating spray. I'm excited to see how it looks. Talk to you guys when I'm done. Not that you guys really care, but it is very clean. I'm gonna do a quick walk around to the truck right now, show you guys what it looks like right now. Then we're gonna start using our quick detailer there, and we'll see just how much of a difference there is. So basically I'll give you guys a whole walk around of the truck. You can kind of see the before. You know, definitely my fender flares are extremely dull and paint chipped. You know, we got some scratching. I hope this stuff helps. I think it will. I did pay about $500 and I got it actually professionally detailed not very long ago. I'm definitely wasn't the biggest fan of the detail that was done because he basically, honestly, the truck looked the same as it does now. It didn't come out too good. Nothing changed too much. He left a lot of places dirty, and it basically cost me over $500 to get it done. So I'll never ever pay to have my vehicle. Oh, here, we'll look at this side. I will never pay for someone to detail my vehicle ever again after that experience. I just was not happy. My little workstation set up here. I'm gonna go ahead, gonna set you guys up on the tripod, and we're gonna start using this stuff. What they told me to do is just basically spray it off and basically buff it out with the microfiber towel. I would personally, if you're like me and you like your, you know, if you guys don't know how anal I am about keeping my vehicles nice and clean and, you know, undamaged and whatnot, then you're gonna want to use the best stuff. So I'm gonna use this microfiber towel that they sent me. It's really good quality. Got the spray, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna coat the coat the side of the truck here. Now again, do not drink this as it does smell really good. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start wiping it. Sorry if I stick my tongue out. That's just kind of how I am when I'm concentrating. Wow. Just did my first coat and already I can see the brightness of, like, the shine of where the spray was compared to the part that was just washed regularly. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try doing it one more time, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. stuff smells so good. You have to physically have it in your hand and basically smell it to really realize how good this smells. Like, it smells really good. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. I don't even give a shit. I don't even care about the smell, man. Okay, so I just finished up spraying the first side here, and I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but I can definitely see a difference in person. I don't know if the camera's gonna take it, pick it up, but there is a difference. So I've done to about, I'd say here. You know, I didn't really do much of the fender flare, but now keep in mind my truck does have scratches and dings from rocks. Okay, so that's the side that I did. Now if you were to come up here, it's hard to explain. Like, it's just hard to show it on the camera, but basically the part that I did down here is, I can see my reflection very well. Like, it's shiny, and up top it's kind of cloudy. You know how paint gets, it kind of clouds or it gets kind of dull, but it definitely brought out the shine. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set you guys up in the tripod. I'm gonna do the remainder of this side of the box. I'm gonna do the whole thing as best I can with this spray. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go on to the other side, and then we'll do a difference. Okay, let's go. What's going on, guys? So I just finished doing this side right here, and honestly the camera's not going to do it justice, but it actually does look good. Now, I'm not paid to say this, they just sent it to me for free. I could easily I've said something wrong with it. So far I haven't found anything wrong with it. Works really well. Say that the water will bead right off, so let's get the hose, let's spray this thing with water, and let's see how it does. Oh shit. The water was on. It just completely soaked my whole leg. Great. Okay, so let's see. Now I hope you pick that up on camera, but it is actually beading off, and if you can see, it's quite smooth, you know, compared to, that's what it looks like with the stuff on. Now I'm sure I could have done a better job spraying more of it on. And let's try the door here. Okay, you see that? You can see how it's all wet there. The whole thing is wet. So you can see the wetness. Let's go back to the box. We'll do right here. Let's go back to the box. We'll do it right here. Look at that, and everything just kind of slides right off. It's really hard to get it on camera. It is amazing, because honestly, when he detailed my truck, he ceramic coated it, but I don't know if he ceramic coated it, but he coated it where he said like the rain will beat off, but the rain honestly never beat it off. But look, you can see this side here, It's nice and clear. Back to the door. It's still all wet. Go ahead, I'm going to do the rest of the truck as much as I can with the bottle, and then I'm going to give you guys a final review. You guys saw how the water beads off. So give me a minute. I'm going to finish this off, and then we'll do the final review. All right, guys, just like that, I'm back. I did as much as I could. The bottle is completely empty now. Just give you a little example. As you can see, all the water just beads right off. I know I keep stressing about this, like I keep mentioning this, but the thing is, this product is basically just that, a ceramic coater that shines your, you know, it shines up your truck a bit. But the biggest thing is it protects the paint. Like, I haven't done this side yet, right? So you can see that right there, you can see the difference. Here's the bottle. I've already used it all. So I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the product. Basically, I did that fender, I did the box in the back, I did tailgate. Come around to the side here. I did this side of the box. I did this door, and this fender. So I didn't get to do the hood. I didn't get to do the bumpers or anything, but you can see just how shiny it is. I didn't get to do any of the bumpers. I didn't get to do the hood. I didn't get to do these two doors. I didn't get to do the rims or anything like that. That's okay. It's definitely a very cheap way to maintain and protect your paint. I definitely would like to use this stuff more. I do recommend it. One thing I would love to, Shine Armor, if you want to send me some stuff to detail the interior of my car, I'd really like that. So that's it, guys. That's my review on the product. I do actually like it. I would recommend you using it. Again, they're not paying me to say this. I could have easily have given them a bad review, like I said before, but honestly, they don't deserve a bad review. They deserve a good review. Like I said, the only one problem that I had was that the bottle was too small to do the whole truck. So I recommend just a bottle and a quarter, bottle and a half. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. We're halfway there. No, we're 75% there. We're at 1,500 now, so I want to get to 2,000. Please support the channel, like it, thumbs up. Have a great day. Peace.